What's up, SBM gang? I'm back with another YouTube review, and it's really no shade. It's giving consistency, no shade. Okay, so Alipearl sent me a bust down ash blonde wig. This wig was about 24 inches. Don't get me the line. All the info for this wig will be in the description below. I installed this wig on my girl Kayla. I did a middle part bust down. And I did 3 different styles with this wig. I did a middle part, layered, bone straight look, 90s aesthetic. And then I did like a body curl type look. And then I did an updo vibe. Don't worry about the back, mind your business. I'm not going to do too much talking in this video because y'all already know how I give it up in the installs. And just watch and like, share, subscribe, send it to your friends, and learn something from this, period. Shout out to Alipearl for sending me the bust down ash platinum wig. I love this wig. Everybody on live love this wig on Kayla. Y'all need to go in the description to get the link and order this wig, because I'm telling you, it's everything, and that's no shade. Which style was y'all favorite? Was it the middle part, straight with the layers, or the curls, or is it the updo? Y'all let me know in the comments which one was your fave. I did 3 fun styles, and I kept it simple and cute, and it's really no shade. Y'all keep liking, sharing, subscribing, showing love to the channel. We almost at 10K, and that's gonna be, no shade when we get there. So y'all keep showing love, and I'm gonna keep posting, period. Bye.